How to make a playlist private on Spotify. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your playlist or any playlist private on Spotify easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now choose the playlist that you want from here. Down below click on your library and choose your playlist. This is mine. And now this is my playlist. All what you have to do is click on those three dots here and you will have those options. Now go down and click make private. Now click make private like this, and my playlist now is private as you can see right here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.